Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. I'm going to share my new World by Us dolls with you today. I'm super lucky to get them all. They're from the new line called World by Us, and they include Evette, Maritza, and Makena. In this video, I'll be unboxing Makena. She has a unique face mold that has never been used before. Her full name is Makena Williams. She's 13 years old, which is older than usual American Girl characters. I like the unique design of the box. It really makes it stand out. Here's Makena's book. I'm super excited to read it. Do you think I should make a video about her story? Please let me know in the comments. The book looks good so far with some colorful illustrations. I can see World by Us furniture in them. Makena comes with 3 golden butterfly hair clips. I have to say I really like her face. When her image is just leaked, I wasn't sure if I'd like it. She looks sort of weird and a little bit like Nenea, but I gotta say in real life she looks very cute, and nothing like Nenea. Makena has a unique hairstyle. Her hair comes in twists, and American Girl does not recommend undoing them. Look how shiny and pretty they are. Makena has painted upper and lower eyelashes, and her lips are brighter than other American Girl dolls. It's probably because she's a teenager and starting to wear makeup. Her eyes are the usual pinwheel brown. Her shirt is very pretty and it feels good quality. The sleeves have this rolled up detail. I like the style and the color of Makena's skirt. The fabric doesn't feel cheap. I'm not crazy about the finishing of the hem, but it's probably to keep the pleats. Her shoes unfortunately are plastic. They are pretty, but I wish they were made out of better quality materials. Seriously, this is our generation quality. Underwear is the usual pink Truly Me underwear. absolutely love her face. She looks so unique. What do you think about her? Let me know in the comments. Time to open the accessories. The box has the same art as the doll. Wow, this leather jacket is so pretty. It has 3 embroidered golden butterflies and a working zipper. This jacket doesn't have lining and it's a bit disappointing. The material they used is very stiff. Maybe that's why they couldn't do the lining. But still, for the price, I would expect better quality. Otherwise, it's a very cute and fashionable jacket. I would definitely wear one myself. This little book has Makena's fashion sketches. Some of them are really cool. I wish American Girl made them. That's it for today. Come back tomorrow for my review of Maritza. What do you think about Makena? Do you like her? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new videos. We usually post every Wednesday and Saturday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time!